Hello students, I'm Dr. Girish Rai Singhani, Associate Professor, Department of Botany, SPC गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज अजमेर। आज हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं टिम्बर प्लांट्स के बारे में। ये आपके थर्ड ईयर के सिलेबस में है, पेपर थर्ड में बॉटनी के। और जो बुक हम कंसल्ट कर रहे हैं दैट इज़ इकोलॉजी एंड इकोनॉमिक बॉटनी बाय त्रिवेदी, खान एंड रिजवानी बाय रमेश बुक डिपो। द पब्लिशर इज़ RBD। जो टिम्बर प्लांट्स हैं इसके पार्ट वन में हम दो प्लांट्स लेंगे, टीक और साल। सबसे पहले हम लेते हैं टीक। टीक जो है इसका बोटेनिकल नेम है टेक्टोना ग्रैंडिस और इसकी फैमिली है वर्बिनेसी। टीक जो है इसका अगर हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन की बात करें तो टीक इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टिम्बर प्लांट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। हम सब जानते हैं टीक जो है सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट प्लांट है, टिम्बर प्लांट। इट हैज़ ओरिजिनेटेड इन साउथ ईस्ट एशिया and is found largely in India, Burma, Thailand, Malaysia, China, Java and Indonesia. In India, teak forests are seen in Madhya Pradesh, इंडिया में मध्य प्रदेश में, गुजरात, साउथ राजस्थान, कर्नाटक, केरला, तमिलनाडु एंड आंध्र प्रदेश। यहाँ पे हम जो है फॉरेस्ट को हम देख सकते हैं, टीक फॉरेस्ट को। द डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स ऑफ बांसवाड़ा, चित्तौड़गढ़, डूंगरपुर एंड उदयपुर आर पर्टिकुलरली रिच इन टीक पॉपुलेशन। बांसवाड़ा में चित्तौड़गढ़ और डूंगरपुर जो हैं एंड उदयपुर जो हैं दे आर पर्टिकुलरली रिच इन टीक पॉपुलेशन। द टाउन सागवाड़ा एंड डूंगरपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट हैज़ बीन नेम्ड सो ड्यू टू अबंडेंस ऑफ सागवान और टीक ट्रीज़। जो सागवाड़ा टाउन है डूंगरपुर में, डूंगरपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में, उसका नाम इसी सागवान की वजह से नाम दिया गया है क्योंकि यहाँ पे कई सारे ट्रीज़ हैं, अबंडेंस है, बहुत ज़्यादा बहुत मात्रा में यहाँ ट्रीज़ पाए जाते हैं टीक के। प्लांट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स की बात करें तो टीक इज़ अ डेसिडियस ट्री दैट ग्रोज अप टू 30 मीटर्स टॉल। The diameter of the trunk ranges between 2.5 to 4 meters and its average age is 200 years. The branches are quadrangular, hairy and pubescent. Leaves are simple, petiolate, ovate, opposite and large in size. The panicle inflorescence be a small white flowers. The fruit is a tetralocular drupe. अगर हम कल्टीवेशन की बात करें, द ट्री ग्रोज वेल अप टू एन एटीट्यूड ऑफ 3000 फीट। इट रिक्वायर्स अ टेम्परेचर ऑफ 25 to 30 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड एंड रेनफॉल अप टू 120 to 130 सेंटीमीटर्स पर ईयर। लाइट टू हैवी लोमी और ग्रेवली सॉइल दैट इज़ वेल ड्रेन्ड इज सूटेड फॉर कल्टीवेशन। द ट्री इज़ प्रोपेगेटेड बाय सीड्स that are sown in the months of April to May. Once the seedlings are ready, 30 to 40 centimeters, they are transplanted on forest land. Sufficient distance is maintained between the trees so that they receive optimum sunlight. The wood is harvested between ages of 40 to 80 years. अगर हम इसकी प्रॉपर्टीज़ की बात करें इस वुड की, the wood of teak is differentiated into sap wood and hardwood. The sapwood is pale yellow or white in color, whereas the hardwood is golden yellow and darkens with age. Because of its vulnerability to wood rot fungus and termite attacks, the sapwood is not useful. The hardwood, being resistant to pests, is commercially important. The constitution of wood is complex and rough. It smells like old leather and its weight is 620 to 650 kilograms per meter cube. The wood is air seasoned. Seasoning prevents splitting and cracking of the wood. The wood is lustrous, durable and crack proof. Due to the presence of resinous substances, the wood is waterproof and durable. Uses: teak wood has multiple uses. for the construction of ships, boats, masts, railway coaches, etc. For making bridges, poles, beams, and acid drops in coal mines. To make good quality furniture, tables, chairs, sofa set, doors, windows, and almirahs, etc. The oil obtained after distillation of wood is used to treat skin diseases. The leftovers are used to make chipboard and fiber boards. The leaves yield a dye and are also used for thatching. The flowers and young fruits of teak are diuretic. तो ये था about the teak. The second plant is sal, and its botanical name is Shorea robusta. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन की अगर हम बात करें, फैमिली जो है इसकी इट इज़ डिप्टेरोकार्पेसी. साल जो है ग्रोथ प्रोफ्यूजली इन इंडिया, सालवुड, श्रीलंका, नेपाल, Burma and other Southeast Asian countries. It is an important timber plant of our country. Plant characteristics: the tree is tall, large and gregarious. Its height is generally between 30 to 40 meters and the diameter of the trunk is 4 to 7 meters. The bole is enclosed in a thick bark from which oleoresin exudes out. Leaves are simple, leathery, 10 to 25 centimeters long with reticulate venation. The small yellow flowers develop in terminal panicles. The fruit is an oval, indehiscent, single-seeded, winged samara. The cultivation requirements include temperatures between 25 to 35 degrees centigrade, an annual rainfall of 300 to 450 centimeters, and light porous or gravelly soil. The seeds are used as propagating material. However, they are viable for a small time period only. For this reason, they are sown immediately after attaining maturity. They are planted in rows and our seedlings so obtained are transplanted in pits after a period of 1 year. Timber from trees is used between the ages of 30 to 50 years. Properties of the wood. The wood is differentiated into sapwood and heartwood. The sapwood is light brown in color and forms a thin outer ring. The central heartwood is reddish or dark brown in color, hard and striped. The wood is of diffuse porous type. The seasonal wood contains 12% moisture and its weight is 850 kilograms per meter cube. The sal wood is difficult to season as it retains moisture. It seasons completely surpasses teak in strength, flexibility and durability. The uses of salwood: used widely in construction of railway coaches, sleepers, boats, pillars, wheels, plows and pit drops. Used to make light furniture. The trunk yields an oleoresin named sal dammer or Bengal dammer that is used to make incense sticks, varnishes, polishes, paints, carbon paper, etc. Chua oil obtained from distillation of sal dammer is used in perfumeries and pharmaceutical industry. The bark is used in tanning industry and for cellulose synthesis. Sal butter obtained from the seeds can be used in places of cocoa butter in chocolate industry. So these are some of the uses of the salwood. We have discussed two plants today, that is the teakwood and the salwood. In our next lecture of timber plants and part 2, we will discuss about the shisham and the marwar teak, that is Roheda.